I'm Jeff, and you want to know how to zip files in Microsoft Word. Now, the funny part is you can't. Microsoft Word doesn't zip files. A zip file is a compressed file. It takes lots and lots of those ones and zeros that make up all the files, and it squeezes them down into less ones and zeros using special mathematical equations and clever stuff that computer guys come up with. You can't do that in Microsoft Word, but after you've saved your file, you can go ahead and do it using Windows or Mac or using the built-in utilities that you've got. Everyone's got different ones. I'll show you how I do mine. You see I've got this story here. I'm all done with it. I've finished it. It's very short. I'm going to close up Word, and I'm going to go to the folder where I have that story. Here it is. All I have to do is right-click it, and I'm using Isarc to zip my files. I go down there, and I add to a zip file. It goes real quick, and then there, right here, is my zip file. That's just a smaller version of the same file. It's not going to be, not necessarily going to be smaller by much if you have a really large file, but you can see right here, I started with 24 kilobytes, and down here, my zip file is only 3. Sounds pretty good. Cut it down to an eighth. If you need to get files somewhere fast, easy, without running into any bandwidth or download problems, that's how you do it. I'm Jeff, and this was how to zip your files from Microsoft Word.